So this is the Vijnan Ganga series, and today is the 9th lecture in the series. We started in March 2016, and on 1st of September in March Times there was a news about this AstroSat, and the instrument that was fitted on the AstroSat is doing a work. It has measured the X-ray radiation coming out of black hole and all that. Now, black hole has remained always a curiosity for the entire scientific world, and people are trying to find out the information about black hole. And this is the breakthrough, I should say. And Tata Institute of Fundamental Research has done a lot of work since many years. And Professor J.S. Yadav, who has been associated with this work, with the instrument that is fitted on the AstroSat, is present over here to give us information. Professor Yadav is in TIFR since 1982. At present, he is project in charge of large area X-ray proportional counter, the instrument that has been fitted on the AstroSat. This instrument, in short, LXPC instrument, is designed and developed at TIFR. The space qualification and the final calibration of this instrument was carried out during 2013-14. Under his leadership, and finally AstroSat was launched on 28 September 2015. This instrument is most sensitive worldwide in 3 by 80 keV energy range and providing excellent data. Professor Yadav worked on Anuradha instrument at a TIFR instrument that was flown in Space Lab 3 of NASA during 1985 for a week. He was visiting scientist at California Space Institute, San Diego, USA during 1987-89 and worked on gamma ray spectrometer on NASA's Mars Observer mission, which was launched in September 1992. He also worked on the Indian X-ray astronomy experiment that was launched on IRS-P3 in 1996. That was ISRO mission. We discovered flaring activities in any black hole system for the first time along with NASA's RXT/PCA. Now this instrument is so important that the weight of the AstroSat is around 850 kgs and the instrument itself weighs 450 kgs. So that is the major weight on the AstroSat, and that has been doing a good work. Let us hear from Professor Yadav about it. Before that, let us welcome him by a bouquet of flowers. Professor Yadav.
I thank the organizer, Mr. Kale Deshpande, to invite me here to give this opportunity. Although we scientists, so I will also talk a little bit in Hindi. We scientists always do, the science which is technical with mathematics. I will try minimum to be at popular level. तो मैं क्या करूँगा कि पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, और मैं अपने लेवल जो टॉक का लेवल है उसको पॉपुलर लाने की कोशिश करूँगा। आल्दो हम लोग जो साइंस करते हैं हमें ये भी देखना पड़ता है कि उसमें कुछ गलत चीज़ तो नहीं जा रही है। तो वी रियली फ्रॉम मैथमेटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एक बार श्योर होता है तभी उसको पब्लिश करते हैं। तो मुझे ब्लैक होल मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैंने डिसाइड किया, थोड़ा बहुत चेंज किया है। ब्लैक होल इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू स्टडी देम एंड व्हाट टू स्टडी। मतलब ब्लैक होल को कैसे, क्या ब्लैक होल क्या है जनरल फ्रॉम पब्लिक के माइंड से। इनफैक्ट इफ़ आई टेल यू, जब हम लोग इंटरव्यू में बैठते हैं रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स के लिए, रिसर्च के लिए जो बच्चे आते हैं उनको एक टॉपिक मांगा जाता है, क्या टॉपिक है जिसमें वाई यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन एस्ट्रोनॉमी। एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम writes black hole. ओके तो मैं बात करूंगा ब्लैक होल की और द इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिससे आप ब्लैक होल स्टडी कर सकते हैं और हाउ व्हाट वी स्टडी दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट. एक बात यहाँ रिपीट कर दें, आपको पता होगा कि ऑप्टिकल एस्ट्रोनॉमी, ओके, ऑप्टिक्स जो लाइक सन का स्पेक्ट्रा और ये चीज़ें जो हैं बहुत दिनों से पता हैं, पिछले 100 साल से पता है. ऑप्टिकल टेलीस्कोप, ओके, आपको पता है ऑप्टिकल टेलीस्कोप फर्स्ट कैसे बना, ओके, फ्यू सेंचुरी बैक, राइट. सिमिलरली रेडियो आल्सो, विद सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर रेडियो गॉट लॉट मोर प्रोग्रेस, ओके, रडार एंड दोज थिंग्स. सो दीज टू वेवलेंथ, इनमें काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस हुआ, लेकिन एक्सरे में नहीं हुआ. और ब्लैक होल एक्सरे से कैसे कनेक्टेड है वो मैं बताऊंगा आपको, ओके. दिस पिक्चर एसोसेट आपने देखा होगा लास्ट ईयर. ये एक बड़ा सैटेलाइट, इनफैक्ट इंडिया का पहला साइंस मिशन इन द सेंस ये एक ऑब्जर्वेटरी है, एक लेबोरेटरी है स्पेस में, ओके. उसमें हमने 5 इंस्ट्रूमेंट लगा रखे हैं और 5 इंस्ट्रूमेंट से हम कोई भी चीज देख सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इट इज बाई स्टडिंग दो 5 इंस्ट्रूमेंट से. यदि किसी आदमी को, यदि किसी स्टूडेंट्स को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो मुझे खुशी होगी, कोई हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अच्छा, तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर एस्ट्रोसैट था इसमें 5 हैं और अच्छी न्यूज़ ये है कि ये सबके सब ठीक काम कर रहे हैं. एक तो पहला मिशन था और इसमें कई चीज़ें बहुत फ्रॉम पब्लिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको बताएं क्या अच्छा है इसमें. अच्छा ये है कि आपका दिन केवल 92 मिनट का होता है. वहाँ 98 मिनट में एक ऑर्बिट हो जाता है. तो कोई भी जो आप ऑब्जेक्ट देख रहे हैं स्काई में, ऐसा नहीं है हमें पूरे दिन का इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, ओके. तो यू कैन सी मच मोर देयर. एक तो ये है, ओके. दूसरा, वहाँ एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है. मैं बताऊंगा एटमॉस्फेयर का क्या असर पड़ता है, ओके. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी एफिशिएंसी देती हैं. और ये पर्टिकुलर एस्ट्रोसैट जो था, इसमें जितने जो हमने बताए 4 और 5 इंस्ट्रूमेंट, मोस्ट ऑफ देम मोस्टली विल स्टडी ब्लैक होल. और उनमें जो सबसे मेजर इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो है लार्ज एरिया प्रोपोर्शनल काउंटर, जिसके लिए मैं जिम्मेदार था. ये इसरो को देने के, डेवलप करने के बाद, टेस्ट करने के बाद ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी. और ये पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो 3 डिटेक्टर दिखाई दे रहे हैं, इनका साइज है 1 मीटर बाई हाफ मीटर बाई हाफ मीटर. तीनों का मिला के जो वजन है 450 kg. और 3 यूनिट इसलिए ज़रूरत पड़ा कि ये दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है इस एनर्जी रेंज में. जो एनर्जी रेंज हम कहते हैं 3 keV टू 100 keV, और ये सबसे सेंसिटिव है. तो इसलिए हमें 3 इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाने पड़े. उसमें कई जो टेक्नोलॉजी है और जो आइडिया है, उन दोनों को मैच करके इस तरह से बनाया गया कि वो हमें एडवांटेज दे, ओके. सो व्हाट दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैन डू, नो अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैन डू इन द वर्ल्ड. सो आई विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इट कैन डू. नाउ before coming to this, now I will come to the black hole, because that was the main thing, right? So what is black hole? So if you talk about, basically black hole means no light should come from it. Even light cannot escape. Escape velocity बहुत चाहिए, more than velocity of light, and which is not possible, okay. So if you know from Earth escape velocity is 11 km per second, of course your satellites and things you always launch, and then from sun it is 42 km. So if you increase the mass, then its limit reaches when nothing can escape. And then many people may be thinking, then if nothing can escape, then how you study? That is what we will talk about, okay. Now just give you some physical picture, how it look like. So if you say you want a black hole, then whole earth mass should come in a dia of 9 millimeter. Whole earth should be like this. Then it will become like a black hole. Because in this region, after this, suppose earth comes in this, and then just in the surrounding of it, gravitational field will be so high, extreme. I will talk about in a minute. And sun will be 3 kilometer, and 3 solar mass makes that is the lower limit to make the black hole. Why this lower limit? It is only this 3 solar mass can give the gravity which can break all the effect due to neutron, proton, whatever the force between them, and then make it mass we don't know what is inside. Density we are talking about, it is more than the density of in the nucleus, 10 to the power 16 gram per centimeter or more. Okay, so this is an extreme case if you talk like that way. और बहुत ही स्पेशल केस है, सिंपल केस भी है, स्पेशल केस भी है. सिंपल क्यों? बहुत छोटा साइज है. ओके, ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड इज एक्सट्रीम, वेरी हाई ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन सर्टेन थिंग्स इज आल्सो वेरी हाई, not possible in the lab. Okay, now from density point of view, I say it is also very high density, 10 to the power 6, more than 10 to the power 16 gram per centimeter cube. So I will just remind you something. Might have seen this story 4 or 5 years back. Okay, why it is happening like this? So just a minute, yeah. Oh no, it is going other way around, right? Yeah, it is. So this is the story, you might have heard about this on your TV channels. Let me put this way, if anybody remember it. Then when in CERN, that is Accelerator Laboratory in Europe, they were putting a ion collider. There was a report, somehow it is not working, there was a report that in this ion collider, it was a huge energy. When two ions will collide, it will create a particle with huge density like black hole, and that particle will work like a seed, and it will accumulate mass, it will eat away whole earth, nothing will be there after that. In fact, there was some court cases also against that, but fortunately nothing happened like this, and so you know that you cannot make black hole on earth. Okay. Now the framework theory framework of this, it was really known in late 30s. It started from general theory of relativity, Einstein's, and then came, of course, what we called it event horizon. What is the radius? Twice gm upon c for neutron star or black hole without a spin. Then of course we talked about a small mass less than sun's mass, white dwarf, then neutron star where regeneracies of electrons. When electron force doesn't work, gravitational force can break it, that creates the neutron star. And if mass is more than that, then black hole will be formed, and you need 3 solar mass of the body, then it can be black hole. So black hole can have mass more than 3, but then it goes to billions of solar masses. I will talk about this. So this was the theory work was available, but we were not knowing anything whether they exist or not exist. And first evidence, so okay, I was told to talk sometimes in Hindi. So पहला जो एविडेंस आया कि है कि नहीं है, थ्योरी का पता था कि होना चाहिए. Theory, there was no issue, it should be there, but practically you are seeing or not seeing. In late 60s, जब मैं ऑप्टिकल में हम देख रहे थे स्काई में, certain point source, not extended source can have energy. Point source has huge energy. From there long jet is going like here, this jet is going, it is a huge energy and there was no mechanism whatsoever कि इतना energy produce किया जा सके. You have the mechanism like fusion, fission, okay, where you have 0.7% energy, and of course burning coal in those things, that is stands nowhere. Those will not do. So from their observation and total energy what they calculated, you can calculate from optical how much energy outside, okay, dissipated. They calculated that it should be black hole, massive black hole, बहुत बड़ा black hole होना चाहिए at the center, and that was the first evidence. So that was something like late 60s, but still it was not a direct observation. So now let me talk about the efficiency. Okay, efficiency इसमें कहाँ से आती है? एनर्जी जनरेशन जो है इतना अच्छा है जो हम लोग चूल्हे पे आग जलाते हैं. Okay, that is basically you are changing one molecule to another molecules. Okay, it is coming from electrons binding energy. Okay, so that is very small. Then you go to the nuclear fission or fusion. Okay, there it is the nucleus binding energy. Okay, so that is coming from because neutron and proton has mass, okay, in certain binding energy, and you can calculate this is around 0.7%. Okay, now if you come to the black hole, a picture is following. इसमें आप देखिए तो एक नीचे जो वाइट पॉइंट सा दिखाया गया ये ब्लैक होल है. ये दिखाने कायदा से ये हमें दिखाई नहीं देता है, लेकिन दिखाने के लिए बताया, इंडिकेट करने के लिए ये है. और उसका कंपेनियन जो है, इसके साथ का स्टार जो है जो फ्यूल सप्लाई कर रहा है, वो एक स्टार दिखाया गया ऊपर गोल. वहाँ से फ्यूल आ रहा है. इट इज़ ड्यू टू ग्रेविटेशनल पुल. मास आ रहा है स्लोली एंड इट विल मेक ए डिस्क अराउंड दिस ब्लैक होल. Reason is it has a angular momentum. Angular momentum will make a disk. Okay, and as mass falls, energy will be generated. जैसे mass गिर रहा है, energy will be generated. Suppose somebody falls from the roof. Okay, by the time it goes down, there will be certain velocity. So you can think about, suppose somebody falls from 400 kilometer. Suppose associated orbit is around 600 kilometers, something falls there. Okay, but it will be much more velocity. So here we are talking about how much energy gain will be there. So if you calculate energy gain when something is falling on a body, that will be its gravitational potential, that is G of m upon r. Now I said that black hole उनका size बहुत छोटा है, r बहुत छोटा है. इसको r कम कर दीजिए, then G m upon r it becomes very high. For example, if I give you example, सन और ब्लैक होल के लिए सेम मास ले लिया. बाय द वे ऐसा होता नहीं है, ब्लैक होल 3 सोलर मास से बड़ा होना चाहिए. जी एम अपॉन आर फॉर सन एंड ए ब्लैक होल इट विल बी बाई ए फैक्टर ऑफ 10 to the 5 larger, because r is by a factor of 10 to the 5 larger. Okay, so it is simply energy comes from there. So that gives the efficiency. Okay, now I will just calculate. This is what is calculated for a neutron star. I will calculate this. So if you see first term your delta E nucleus, that they are talking of fission or fusion, nuclear binding energy, it is something like 0.7%, because mc square you are taking the total rest mass and it is coming 0.7%. Okay, now if you see the previous figure, I put the energy from gravitational potential Gm upon r. Put this r value, that is Schwarz's radii given by this famous professor. Then it comes 50% c square upon r. M I am taking 1 gram. Okay, so mc square is the total energy. M if I take 1 gram, it becomes 50%. Only it is classical treatment, simple treatment. If you put relativistic effect in this, the actual value is from 10 to 43%. 10% is for no spin of the black hole and 43% is the highly spin black hole. But it is huge. You compare with the fission. फिशन के साथ कंपेयर कीजिए तो बहुत है. फिशन हमारा 0.7% है, यहाँ मैक्सिमम 43% है, तो कम से कम 70 गुना हो गया. That is huge. Now suppose some body is there and it is producing the energy. Now what will stop? It would have been catastrophe if you don't have mechanism to stop. Okay, and it does have a mechanism to stop. How it happens? When a black hole mass is falling, it is produced by radiation. When radiation pressure becomes larger than the gravitational pull, now no mass is allowed further. Radiation pressure stops. If you see the comparison, जैसे आपको comparison चाहिए public life में, usually we don't have some experience about the radiation pressure waves. You do have some experience with the pressure waves, because when any explosion, you might have seen people are thrown out. That is the pressure wave. So here it is a radiation pressure. So in that case, the mass which was coming out, which would have increased the fuel, which has increased the luminosity, now mass को उन्होंने रोक दिया. So it cannot go in further. And this simple technique, I said black hole are complex, but they are also simple. So this simple argument, okay, ये इतना जो छोटा आर्गूमेंट है, ये आपको हेल्प करता है ये पता करने के लिए कि ब्लैक होल का मास कितना है. वो कैसे? आप किसी को देखिए, ये ब्लैक होल है, आप देख रहे हैं उसको, हमने 2 साल ऑब्जर्व किया, हमने देखा उसमें से कितना लाइट मैक्सिमम आता है. लाइट, आई एम पुटिंग लिटिल कॉमन टर्म, इट इज ल्यूमिनोसिटी वी कॉल इट. कितना लाइट आता है, उस लाइट से हमने कैलकुलेट किया कि हमारा ब्लैक होल का मास कितना होगा. इफ आई से बेस्ट एफिशिएंसी, सो आई कैन गिव minimum limit of the mass. Simple this argument, nothing else. You don't need anything. Simply measure and just calculate. So these are the things. हम लोग जो साइंटिस्ट हैं वो यही करते हैं. And so this is what the same tendency what I was telling. From this I know the luminosity here, this, and this is coming to 38 for one solar mass. So if any of the things has more luminosity or more light or more energy is coming out, then its mass should be more. And the 60s, what we were saying when first estimate was made that is black hole, those were million to billion solar mass black hole. They were massive black holes. They were very big black holes. And in our galaxy, I will show you 1 or 2 pictures. We have around 10 solar mass. There are many, something like 20 we have discovered, and we study many of them. So that is the one. Now to give you the comparison, what is really simple. So these are the 2 pictures I am showing you, and on the left side this is the massive black hole, and most of the galaxy, our galaxy also has, something like 4.6 million solar mass black hole. थोड़ा छोटा है, अच्छा, but other galaxy has billions of solar mass black hole at the center, and its influence, if you want to see, it really controls many things in the galaxy, whole galaxy, because those jets can go through whole galaxy whenever it is there. So so this is, I was saying the picture. So this is the picture where it is in the big black hole, and this is the other black hole, that is 10 solar mass black hole. Here mass flows from companion, but in this case galaxy, it is coming from surrounding, and here jet are produced like this. But simple idea, why these systems are simple, because here the distance of anything happening, कोई इवेंट हो रहा है, कितने डिस्टेंस पे हुआ और कितने टाइम तक चला, दैट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मास, और कोई कुछ मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं है. तो वो इवेंट का टाइम मेजर करने से हमें मालूम पड़ जाए क्या हो रहा है, और दैट इज हम मेजर करते हैं उसको, टाइम को. ओके, और सिमिलरली उसका जो टोटल डिस्टेंस है, जैसे जेट का कितना डिस्टेंस है, इन दोनों के जेट के डिस्टेंस से भी मालूम पड़ जाएगा आपको उनके मास में कितना डिफरेंस है. So these are the things which we study. Now since this mechanism is so efficient, of course it produces a lot more heat in very high temperature. It in fact produces in accretion disk, the disk around the mass makes the accretion disk around black hole, million degree temperature. And so if you compare, like जैसे हम compare करें, it creates the million degree, and that will be emission will be in X-ray. For our sun, that is 6000 Kelvin. Emission is in optical. So that is the difference. Now this X-ray, why really we have not done so much progress in black hole study? उसका रीजन इसी में छिपा हुआ है कि X-ray में it is not easy to do the things. Okay, you have to go above Earth, because Earth atmosphere absorbs most of these X-ray. So if you see here, it is shown what is possible, and most of the things in this band you cannot see it. It is all absorbed. You have to go above the atmosphere. So that's why we need satellite, and that's why it takes so much time. Now I am coming to just tell you that when we observed first black hole directly, okay, and that was one of the rocket used in 1962 by American scientist, and he saw this long, you can see with time. Rocket goes for few hundred seconds only, okay, it will be on the top altitude, it can remain on the top only for few hundred seconds. They will observe and fall back, okay. And within that he was having a 3-4 counters here, and he clearly showed there is a high flux here. And this is the most bright black hole in the sky, which emits in X-ray, SCO X1. And for that, this gentleman, Ricardo Gaiconi, he was given Nobel Prize in 2002. What we study, this is what I am showing. I will try to simplify things, okay. So when I simplify, of course, from science point of view, little bit, it becomes a different level. So what I am saying this, at the top there is a light curve here. This is light curve is nothing, total light you are getting, only it is in X-ray. So see here, it is high, suddenly drops in a second, and low, and goes high, and again drop, goes high, and again drop, like this. Sometimes we see around black hole. So this is the point where I said black hole is very simple, because it is a very compact object. Things can happen very fast. It is like you have a very big system, it will take time to change something, but a small system change very fast. So that is one symptom we can see whether this particular system is a black hole or neutron star. Black holes can change fast. From simply variability, change, how कितना जल्दी change हो रहा है, उससे भी हम बता देंगे कि ये black hole है कि नहीं है. So here I am showing you just comparison. When I have put accretion disk, this is very rough type of a sketch. Accretion disk is there, on top of that there is a cloud. When cloud is small, you see the high flux, but when cloud is large, the flux drops. But this is a very simple picture, because what is happening, black hole is somewhere else. I am talking about the cloud there. How much time is there? Okay.
And then you can take some questions.
All right. So in this, of course, like we see in our sun, when there is a cloud, you don't get here, right? Sunlight reduces. But their difference is this cloud is at Earth, receiver. But in this case, cloud is at the source. And those clouds are different. They are very energetic. They can produce something. In that we study. So if you see here, something is reduced, but this becomes higher. Here it is higher. Okay. So we study this variability with thing, and then we of course study the same light curve black here, but then there is a jet here. So how this jet will look like, just to show you this again, very crude type of simulation. Somehow whatever region, okay, किसी car like it may be thermal explosion, or it may be magnetic field reconnection. Some cloud is thrown out. When it is thrown out, it will first emit the short wavelength or high frequency. Region is this, it is dense. So a small wavelength can cross through this, not big one.
As it expands, its density becomes less. Now other things can come, and from this delay time we can again calculate. Okay, we can calculate what is the property of that cloud, and we do this. So now I am coming to this Y X-ray instrument. This is really the to study the strong gravity which I described, to study the strong magnetic field, to study the fast variability and the jets. I will just touch little bit as per the time, and from that point of view, of course, AstroSat, so I will not give you, might have heard about this. Its orbit is 98 it is in the 600 kilometer orbit, and very close to equator, 6-degree inclination. That is to reduce the background from the charged particle. And this is the photo of this when it was ready. And here it shows the 5 instrument I talked about, science instrument on this. And the big boxes, these are the large area proportional counter. This LexBC is described in science language. Okay, so this is basically, we need the instrument, we need the basic things, we need sealed, so no background comes. There are many things. So I will go at minimum level in this talk. Just to show you this, what is the thing we get it. So this is the range we are talking about, this one. Okay. And if you see, this is 3 kV to 100 kV, its efficiency or the effective area is the highest in the world. Okay, and it is working. So this is all the whatever the mission we are saying here, they will be launched after say 8 years or 10 years. So that's why it has a lot more interest worldwide. Now just to show you how it was built, it is done all this within 2 kilometers from here in TFR. I am sure many of you may be knowing TFR. This is the first we start building this. It is half meter by 1 meter by half meter, and this is the cover first container and then collimator. And so I will not go to technical term. This is the real detector where you have these wires and those things, and this should be very precise job. It is built all here. Nothing we didn't get from anywhere. Okay, our challenge was it should work. And to have the what you call it, like background or noise, okay, like in TV you have noise, you will not like it. So to have the noise, the back plate of this has all the electronics. So I will just show you what is that electronics. This one, all the 20 cards are just below this, and you have to make sure in the space it works. The space temperature will change much more, much faster. So in 90 minutes, 90 to 1.5, 1.5 घंटे में ये +40 से -40 में जाता है every cycle. That will also have contribution to the noise. Okay, and so we were really very busy during last 3 years, and this was our last unit. जब हमने यहाँ से तैयार करके हमने शिप किया कि वहाँ अभी स्पेस क्वालिफिकेशन कीजिए, and that was done in 2014. And to show you some photograph, this is what we do all the tests here. It is very essential part of any space instrument that you do test like temperature, vibration, or any noise from electronic things, because your instrument should not interfere with other instrument, neighboring one, and theirs should not interfere with your one. So this we do at the level of say few times what we expect. Okay, so when you launch, you need, it will have a shock during the launch. Okay, so we do at that, and this is very, very important, and many issue comes during those time. Okay, and so this is the vibration table, and here we are talking about thermovac test. This is thermal temperature cycle we are changing. So in fact I said in say 1.5 घंटे में ये +40 डिग्री से -40 डिग्री में जा रहा है. यदि हम ये पूछें आपको तो पर मिनट चेंज कितना हो गया, आपको होगा ये 1 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है पर मिनट में चेंज. अब आप अपनी बॉडी को पर मिनट 1 डिग्री से ज़्यादा चेंज करो, आपको मालूम पड़ जाए कितना तकलीफ होगा. ओके, इट इज़ ए बिग प्रॉब्लम, एंड सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. Then since we are making of this type of instrument, when we are looking at something, some body which we want to measure, now where you are mounting, उसका alignment भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, वरना आप उसकी तरह दूसरी जगह देखेंगे. एक आर्क मिनट, एक डिग्री में 60 आर्क मिनट होते हैं, एक आर्क मिनट भी अलग हो गया तो हमें और कुछ दिखाई देगा. So that then we have to mount our thing. That is a special thing we need. And this is the mounting thing we are showing. And here I am showing there was issue. Usually some issue comes. That is invariable. Okay, it is always some or the other issue will come when we are making this instrument. And here it is the ISEC director here, and then ISRO, other people from ISRO. They are discussing some problem which we are sorting out, and that was the last detector when going through the vibration. And here I am showing, this is the other way around. And here it is before launch at Sriharikota, when we finish our last all test, giving them, now you put on the satellite. At that time we were having a discussion. There are always some issue we have to sort it out. Usually space instrument doesn't have a moving part, but we have one moving part. This black you can see here, this is a pump and we purify this. So we run the motor for this. And usually, you know, when you launch something and then you have to test, you always have cross, you know, some issue may be there, and we did it. Of course, it worked very fine and we got the things. So that was done on 19th or October. So that means 1 month it takes to settle down the satellite, various parameter, okay. And then we switch on this, and then we tested this. To just show you interesting part of this, it is again the 3 curves, 1, 2, 3. This is the processing electronics, weight is around 5 kg each. But if you see the other one here, it is the detector, which is 120 or 30 kg. Now if you see, this detector doesn't show any this cycle behavior change. But in this, you can see this, okay. This is in fact 98, because this electronics is 10 kg है. तो उसको जब आप ले जाएंगे +40 से -40, उसका टेम्परेचर वेरी करेगा. बड़ा है बॉडी जो 1/2 मीटर बाई 1 मीटर है, उसका टेम्परेचर एज ए होल बढ़ेगा, ज़्यादा अंतर नहीं पड़ता. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज शोन हियर. We compare the things because it is very essential part of us. Whatever the other best detector, this is NASA's observatory, New Star, and our results comes here. And large fluctuation is here in their data because हमारा efficiency ज़्यादा है यहाँ. ओके, तो हमारा जो ब्लू है उसमें ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं है, उनके में ज़्यादा है. दैट इज व्हाट एक्सपेक्टेड, सो वी कैन डू बेटर हियर. ओके, सो दैट वाज आई प्रॉमिस इन द बिगनिंग दैट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट वी कैन डू बेटर. तो ये हम उनसे बेटर कर सकते हैं. दैट वाज द वन थिंग, डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन. देन सेकंड था, हम टाइमिंग मेजर करते हैं. ओके, एंड टाइमिंग में हम लोग कोई 3000 हर्ट्ज तक जा सकते हैं. कोई चीज़ 3000 बार घूम रही है, वहाँ तक हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. और ये और कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं कर सकता अभी. ऐसा नहीं वो बना सकते, लेकिन अभी कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है जो ये कर सकते हैं, केवल हम ही कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई विल जस्ट शो यू व्हाट वी डू. दिस इज द recent catch. So when a black hole is somewhere, okay, somehow mass is taking time, mass is not falling, then that black hole will not emit much. It is what we call it Sorahai, sleeping stage, okay. Now then at certain point it start pouring some mass, it will start slowly. So for हम लोगों को साइंटिस्ट को ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, शुरू में जब शुरू हुआ उस समय ऑब्जर्व करें, बाद में करें तो वी नो व्हाट प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. So this particular black hole we got, if you see here, it was sleeping till here, and we got really on first day itself. Okay, and then of course we have observed it will still continue on the top one when it will go down. So this was I think in August, right? It started, right? Now when it is going down, then of course we will measure again. 2 times we have measured. We have measured the energy spectra shown down here. I will not talk much, but what we say, there are changes here. As scientists we measure this, and that describe what is the black hole system. So this is last 2 months data, and we are still watching this particular black hole. So with time these black hole changes. For example, this is another black hole. if you see these different colors show at different time over say 6 months. Okay. Now I will show you another black hole here. Here these tips, these dips, okay, almost goes to same size. These are the jets. In fact, we have seen the radio. And this is latest one we have done now on 28th October, where we use the telescope from England and US. Simultaneously we measured this. तो ये चीज़ें जो साइमल्टेनियस है उसमें क्या है, हम काफ़ी फिजिक्स कर सकते हैं. हमारा एक्सरे का आया, तुम्हारा रेडियो में कितना आउटपुट है, तुम्हारा इंफ्रारेड में कितना आउटपुट है, एंड नाउ बाय फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स यू कनेक्ट ऑल ऑफ देम. तो हम लोग अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं क्या है. नाउ आई विल जस्ट टेल यू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. न्यूट्रॉन स्टार जो होता है ये ब्लैक होल का भाई है, क्योंकि थोड़ा ही बड़ा होता है ब्लैक होल से, बट स्टिल इट इज कम्पैक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. इट्स एफिशिएंसी मे नॉट बी, इट मे बी लिटिल बिट अराउंड से 5 to 10%. तो यहाँ भी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वजह से कभी ब्लॉक हो जाता है व्हेन मास इज नॉट फॉलिंग एंड सडनली इट फॉल्स. व्हेन सडनली इट फॉल्स, एट दैट टाइम देयर इज लाइक you have done atomic bomb explosion on that. So this light curve which I am showing you, it is the first one atom bomb explosion on neutron surface, then second and third. Okay, so these events happens. This is observed by this. Now I will show you something interesting. ये हो रहा था न्यूट्रॉन स्टार सरफेस पे, मास जा रहा था, ब्लॉक हो रहा था, फिर जा रहा था, और वहाँ एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन हो रहे थे. इससे क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन मेजर द स्पिन ऑफ दैट न्यूट्रॉन स्टार. क्यों, जहाँ मास आपने डाला पहले वहीं कंसंट्रेटेड है, तो वहाँ पास आएगा और वो घूम के आएगा, तब तक हमें मालूम पड़ जाएगा. दिस इज वन राउंड, सेकेंड राउंड, थर्ड राउंड. एंड यू नो दिस इज, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 10 किलोमीटर बॉल. when it is doing like this and it is rotating 362 times, 362 times in a second, very fast. Okay, these are extreme conditions. Okay, now when that happens, now as scientists what we can do, you can think about something is rotating like so fast. I have put a mass on one point, and remember that thing you can see in this thing till it is not spread all over. Suppose it becomes a uniform ring, then no more you will see any change. Then rotate होता रहे, कुछ नहीं होगा. लेकिन जब तक वो पॉइंट है पूरी पेरिफेरी पे नहीं है, तब तक तुम्हें सिंगल पॉइंट दिखाई देगा. वही हुआ यहाँ देखिए, व्हाट वी मेजर, इट इज ओनली 4 सेकेंड. दैट एक्सप्लोजन हुआ, पॉइंट था, इट टेक 4 सेकेंड टू जस्ट स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर दैट 10 किलोमीटर स्फीयर, all circumstances it spreads. So that shows the spreading of this so-called nuclear explosion thing. Okay, so that is what we test. Now there is another thing. So these are a very extreme thing. Okay, now I will show you here. So when you have this black hole, a small black hole, now any mass which is rotating around it, it can rotate very fast. And in time zone we can study the frequency, and here frequency maximum till it can stay in orbit, it is something like 1200 hertz, very high. This is called kilohertz, and we observed in this particular one something like 820 hertz to going up to 850 hertz. So, as I said that we observe timing, because timing is very important. It tells about black hole, and that is because when mass is falling, its frequency will increase and ultimately will fall on the black hole, and then it will disappear. So this particular instrument is capable of this. No other instrument in the world is capable of doing this now. Earlier there was one instrument, but now that particular instrument is nowhere. So these are the some of the things. Of course मैं काफ़ी इंग्लिश में बोलता रहा क्योंकि वो हमारी आदत है, और टर्म भी हमारी ऐसे हैं. लेकिन ये जो पर्टिकुलर चीज़ है, फ्रिक्वेंसी से, एनर्जी से जो हम मेजर कर सकते हैं ब्लैक होल में, और कितना फास्ट कर रहा है, और इससे इंस्ट्रूमेंट से किया जा सकता है जो दूसरों से नहीं किया जा सकता है, उस पर हमने काफ़ी कुछ जोर दिया है. तो इसलिए हमने कंक्लूजन जो था कायदे उसी हिसाब से अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट के हिसाब से लिखा है. वैसे इस पर्टिकुलर टॉक के हिसाब से यदि इंस्ट्रूमेंट दें, कंक्लूजन दें, तो ये होगा कि रियली ब्लैक होल्स दे आर रियली वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स एंड they could not be studied earlier because the instrument and the facilities to go in satellite were not available. Now of course there is a big progress, काफ़ी कुछ उन्नति हो रही है अभी उसमें और काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें बढ़ रही हैं. And black hole systems, they are very very important in universe because they control whole galaxy as a whole. Star formation rate they control. Okay. And really that it needs really lot more research. In India of course we expect with ASTROSAT that there will be big progress of course, and we are happy with this. And last of course from our instrument team, there were other people also worked earlier, but this is the current instrument team, and so I thank you everybody. That is all. Thank you. See what they were saying that when two this particle collides, they were heavy, right, proton or whatever. Okay. Now when they will collide at very high energy, their mass will be of course very high. Mass is basically total whatever energy and mass you put together at that stage, and they, because they are colliding, they can become compact. And compact means their density may be like black hole. Now बेसिक आइडिया विच आई वाज जो मैं कह रहा था यहाँ बेसिक आइडिया वो ये था कि एक आपका डेंसिटी है, छोटा है कोई चीज, तो इट विल अट्रैक्ट, क्योंकि एनीथिंग गोज क्लोज बाई इट विल अट्रैक्ट. Okay, and if this continue, the force will continue increasing, taking more mass. But then you think about what you are talking, okay? Because what you are talking, most of the things, even our atom, nucleus and electrons, most of the space is nothing there, right? See, nucleus is 10 to minus 13, okay, and electron orbits around 10 to minus 8, right? So there are also almost into a 5 factor. So most of the things, what force they are talking about, probably there is nothing mass, so it cannot increase. It will decay faster than it can increase. So probably that's why it didn't come. That is true. So in fact, you might have seen that movie, right? When you travel in black hole, your age, right? If you are old, you may become young, right? That is true. I mean, time does change, okay? But then you know things that how you will go to black hole and come out, okay? So those things are there. For example, it is very attractive to say, like we have, like this one is one, what you say. The other one is like the efficiency, energy efficiency. If we can increase by 70%, probably we can solve our problem in India. But then condition we cannot create in lab. Okay. So those things, theory, yes, it is possible. So that is the thing. Practical, it is not possible because once you go inside, there is no way right now. I mean, we don't know in future. Probably some theory may come out, like we talking about. I was talking to your chairman, that there is a little leakage of energy. Okay, we don't know in future something comes out, then probably it may be possible, but not at present.
Any more question?
मी मराठीत बोलतोय, चालेल ना? मला वाटतं आजचा विषय हा आपल्याला पुष्कळ तांत्रिक असा वाटला असेल, पण त्याला काही इलाज नाही. तो विषयच असा आहे की त्याच्यामध्ये या काही तांत्रिक गोष्टी त्यांना सांगणं आवश्यक आहे. पण मला वाटतं आपल्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे इतकं जगामध्ये जवळजवळ पहिल्या क्रमांकाचं ज्याला म्हणता येईल अशा प्रकारचं हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट हे आपल्या इथे टाटा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फंडामेंटल रिसर्च या ठिकाणी तयार केलेलं आहे. पूर्णपणे भारतीय, म्हणजे आपल्याच शास्त्रज्ञांनी, आपल्याच इंजिनियर्सनी, बाहेरचा कुठलाही प्रकारचा त्याच्यामध्ये मार्गदर्शनाची गरज न पडता त्यांनी हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट तयार केलेलं आहे. ॲस्ट्रोसॅट म्हणजे संबंध उपग्रह जो सोडला तो सगळा इथे तयार केलेला आहे. आणि मला वाटतं आपण आपल्या दृष्टीने लक्षात ठेवण्यासारखी गोष्ट म्हणजे की त्याचं पहिल्यांदा त्याची टेस्टिंग जे केलं जातं ते टेस्टिंग अतिशय कसोशीने केलेलं असतं. म्हणजे कारण आपलं इन्स्ट्रुमेंटच जर चुकीचं असेल तर आपल्याला चुकीचे रिझल्ट मिळतील. त्यामुळे पहिल्यांदा जे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे ते इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आपल्याला योग्य तो आणि नेमका आपल्याला हे देतील, रिझल्ट देतील, हे पाहण्यासाठी आधी खटाटोप खूप करावा लागतो. आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते पाठवताना देखील त्यांनी जसं सांगितलं की ते रॉकेटमधून पाठवताना पहिल्यांदा त्याला जेव्हा आपल्याला आपण पाहिली असतील चित्र की पहिल्यांदा त्याला जेट बूस्टर मिळतो, म्हणजे त्याला एक मोठा धक्का देऊन आपण वर पाठवत असतो. त्यावेळेला देखील आपलं जे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे ते इतकं रोबस्ट पाहिजे, इतकं दणकट पाहिजे की त्याच्यामध्ये काही कमी जास्त होता कामा नये, अधिक उणे होता कामा नये. कारण ॲक्युरसी ही सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची आहे. या सर्व ही जी काही निरीक्षणं केली जातात त्याच्यामध्ये अत्यंत ॲक्युरेट अशा प्रकारचं निरीक्षण होणं आवश्यक आहे. कारण तसं झालं नाही तर आपण त्याच्यापासून जो निष्कर्ष काढणार आहोत तो चुकीचा ठरू शकतो. कारण ते सांगतायत त्या गोष्टी म्हणजे की मला नाही वाटत या सगळ्या लोकांच्यापर्यंत ते पोचलं का नाही की ब्लॅक होल विषयी बोललं खूप जातं, परंतु पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये डेन्सिटी इतकी असते की असं म्हणतात की आगपेटीमध्ये सबंध पृथ्वी ठेवण्यासारखं आहे. म्हणजे आता आपण विचार करू शकता की त्याच्यामध्ये घनता किती जास्त असते. आणि त्याचा परिणाम असा होतो की ही अवकाशामधली एक छोटी गोष्ट की जी दिसू शकत नाही, म्हणून त्याला आपण ब्लॅक होल म्हणतो, परंतु तिचं अस्तित्व जाणून घ्यायचं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय बदल होत आहेत हे पण याचंही निरीक्षण करायचं, ह्याच्याकरता लागणारी सर्व साधनं तयार करणं हे मला वाटतं अतिशय मोठं असं आपल्या वैज्ञानिकांचं यश आहे. आणि त्याच्याबद्दल आणि ते करणारे वैज्ञानिक आज आपल्या समोर आहेत, तर त्यांना आपण टाळ्या त्यांचं स्वागत करू. कारण आपल्याला क्वचितच अशी वेळ येते की अशा प्रकारचं ज्यांनी स्वतः तयार केलेलं आहे तेच शास्त्रज्ञ येऊन आपल्याला सांगतायत. आता त्यांच्या सांगण्याची जी काही भाषा आहे ही साहजिकच ज्याला उच्च दर्जाचं आपण भौतिकशास्त्र म्हणतो किंवा उच्च दर्जाचं गणित हे त्याच्यामध्ये अगदी अपरिहार्यपणे त्याच्यामध्ये आहे. पण ते जरी सगळं कळलं नाही आपल्याला तरी आपल्याला काही गोष्टी कळायला पाहिजेत. आणि ही गोष्ट एका तऱ्हेने मला वाटतं आपल्याला फार अभिमानास्पद आहे की अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी या आपल्याकडे आपल्या इतक्या जवळ असलेल्या संस्थेमध्ये तयार होतात. आणि आमची इच्छा अशी आहे की अशा प्रकारचं भाषण ऐकल्यानंतर आपल्यापैकी अनेकांना असं वाटलं पाहिजे की आपण या विषयामध्ये शिरलं पाहिजे, या विषयाचा अभ्यास केला पाहिजे आणि ह्याच्यासाठी कुठेतरी आणखीन पुढे गेलं पाहिजे. कारण शेवटी पुढच्या 50 वर्षातला जो काही 50 वर्षातली जी देशाची प्रगती आहे ती तुमच्यामुळे होणार आहे. तेव्हा तुम्ही जेव्हा याच्यामध्ये बारकाईने विचार करायला लागाल आणि तुमच्या मनामध्ये जेव्हा त्याच्याविषयी इंटरेस्ट निर्माण होईल त्याच वेळेला भारताची भौतिक विज्ञानामध्ये प्रगती होऊ शकणार आहे. कारण यादव साहेबांनी केलं, यादव साहेबांनी 25 वर्षापूर्वी अनेक गोष्टी त्याच्यासाठी अभ्यासल्या असतील. त्यांनी हे हे ॲस्ट्रोसॅटचं जे काही यंत्र आहे ते तयार केलं, ते पाठवलं, त्याच्यातून त्यांना जी निरीक्षण मिळतात त्याच्यावरती ते अभ्यास पुन्हा करतायत. तेव्हा अशा प्रकारची स्फूर्ती आपल्याला या भाषणांमधून मिळावी अशी मुख्यतः आमची इच्छा आहे. आणि तांत्रिक असून देखील जरी थोडीशी अशांतता होती तरी बहुतेकांनी शांततेने ऐकून घेतलं, याबद्दल मी सर्वांचे आभार मानतो.
काळे सरांनी मराठीत सुरुवात केली तेव्हा थोडं पुढे बोलतो. 1982 साली ज्या वेळेला एक सॅटेलाईट वसंतराव गोवारीकरांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली इस्रोमध्ये उडवला, त्यानंतर ते महाराष्ट्रात आले तेव्हा त्यांची एक मुलाखत दूरदर्शनवर तेव्हा झाली. आणि मुलाखत घेण्यासाठी तितक्याच उच्च दर्जाचे शास्त्रज्ञ प्रोफेसर उदगावकर होते. आणि त्यांच्याबरोबर आणखीन एक साधारणपणे साधे प्रश्न विचारले जावेत म्हणून विजया राजाध्यक्ष ज्या मराठी साहित्यातल्या त्याही होत्या. परंतु त्यावेळेला ऐकणारे सर्व विषयातले लोक ज्यांचा विज्ञानाविषय नाही ते अशा पद्धतीने ऐकायला बसले ते की बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपल्याला समजणार नाहीत. आणि तरी देखील आपल्या शास्त्रज्ञांनी काय मोठं यश संपादन केलं आहे, काय हालापेष्टा सोसले त्याच्यासाठी हे सगळं आपण बघितलं पाहिजे, सगळं आपण ऐकलं पाहिजे. म्हणूनसाठी अशा प्रकारची भाषणं आपण या इथं मुद्दाम ठेवत आहोत की काय चाललं आहे जगामध्ये त्याचा पडताळा आपल्या इथले शास्त्रज्ञ कसा घेत आहेत, त्यात कसा सहभाग घेत आहेत याची एक झलक तुम्हाला दाखवण्याची इच्छा. आणि काळे सर म्हणाले त्याप्रमाणे तुमच्यापैकी जे तरुण लोक आहेत त्यांना आज जो विषय समजत नाही तो समजला जावा म्हणूनसाठीची एक जिद्द निर्माण व्हावी त्याच्यासाठीची भाषणं आहेत. यादव सर धन्यवाद. पुढचं भाषण आपण 8 डिसेंबरच्या गुरुवारी इथं ठेवणार आहोत. एका वेगळ्या विषयावरती आहे की आशिया खंडातल्या लोकांचे पूर्वज आफ्रिकन होते की काय, त्यावरती अलीकडे संशोधनांती काही निष्कर्ष निघालेले आहेत. आणि पुण्याच्या डेक्कन कॉलेजमध्ये असलेले प्राध्यापक सुभाष वाळिंबे हे त्याच्यावरती भाषण देतील. तेव्हा आपण असेच मोठ्या संख्येने या. तो विषय सोप्या भाषेमध्ये ते समजून सांगणार आहेत. धन्यवाद.
But even neutron star can be black hole later on, because when you will put into binary, some mass is going. When it crosses the 3 solar mass, it become a black hole also later on. So that is right. So that depends upon what they say it. Of course, the answer will come from theory. They say definitely if your the initial star has mass more than 16 solar mass, then it has a very high chance that it become a black hole directly.
सर जो बोल रहे हैं कि अभी बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ लिंक्स आ रहे हैं यूनिवर्स में कि ब्लैक होल अदर डायमेंशन से कनेक्टेड है.
Black hole?
अदर डायमेंशन
वाइट होल
Huh?
वाइट होल का एग्जिस्ट होना पॉसिबल है.
White?
They talk of some white hole.
Oh, white hole. So, okay, what is white hole by the way? Just opposite of black hole? So suppose now there are many theory, right? Like antimatter is there. And antimatter of course expected the gravitational force would work same way. Suppose antimatter is there. Tomorrow you may get that, what you may call it white dwarf. We don't know, okay, right now. Okay. वैसे भी total amount of antimatter we don't see in space. See, in principle, antimatter should be sufficient, right? When we have matter, it should be antimatter also, right? But we don't see. So probably I think scientific answer will be, right now we don't know. We don't have evidence really.
Or they say that
Yeah.
it was at the beginning, at the Big Bang, some stage, antimatter and matter got neutralized, and some matter was left.
Right.
That is what I have read.
Right. So, but this, whatever this, what you call dark energy or dark mass, okay, we don't know what it is. Okay.
But the paper which I talked to you about, it says there is no dark energy. Dark
Okay.
energy is not required.
As I said, that
To account for
I know.
the
See, we got such
universe.
people for referee to us that we cannot give so much time to them. Okay, they are freelance writer, and of course everybody has
this man
freedom.
he's a scientist.
Oh, I see.
He's a probably Dutch or
Okay.
Swedish scientist.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
they can also use it. After all,
That's right.
Some of these ideas were initially conceptualized by different people, but they could not reach the end
True.
of their.
So there are, if I tell you, like even some people, even our community, there are people who claim there can't be black hole. Although we are seeing so many, I showed you the evidence, right? But they will claim there is no black hole.
There is no black hole. Okay.
Okay.
नॉर्मली जो ब्लैक होल की लाइफ है वो सर कितनी हो सकती है क्योंकि कई बार हमने देखा है कि जो अपना मिल्की वे का जो ब्लैक होल है सेंटराइज ब्लैक होल है वो स्लीप में जाता है उसके बाद फिर से वो स्टार्ट होता है
Right.
यस सर तो सर नॉर्मली जो ब्लैक होल की लाइफ है वो कैसे देखी
So
जाती
it is, you are saying life of emitting or emission, right? Or when it is visible. Life तो अलग चीज है, वो तो बना ही रहेगा. लेकिन life of emission, right? When we can see it.
है? मैंने ऐसी कुछ थेरीज पढ़ी थी उसमें बताया कि ब्लैक होल उसकी लाइफ खत्म हो सकती है अगर उसको मैटर नहीं मिला एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए।
Right. So that is what scientists claim कि वो sleeping है या जग रहा है.
सर
Okay,
मतलब
तो-
नॉर्मली जब उसको मैटर मिलता है वो एक्टिव हो जाता है
Right.
और जब तक उसको मैटर नहीं मिलता है वो
Right.
sleeping होता है।
Right. It is like you have a fire. You don't put anything on, no wood. Then of course nothing will come out. You put a wood, the thing come out.
और सर जो गैमा रे बर्स्ट होता है सर वो एनर्जी बर्स्ट होती है जो कैप्चर
अच्छा गामा रे बस्ट हमने दिखाया नहीं. We are observing gamma ray burst because gamma ray burst is something we don't know the source. You know, it is coming from universe anywhere and from different direction. Okay, and one direction से आता है, next वाला वहाँ से नहीं आता, दूसरी जगह से आता है. So these we don't know the source, but we have observed something like now almost 30 gamma ray burst from our instrument.
सर मेरे जो सर हैं महेश शेट्टी उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि जब मैटर ब्लैक होल के पास सराउंडिंग होते रहता है तो सर जब वो बर्स्ट होने के लिए ना सर जो क्या वेलोसिटी कितनी है
See, there are many theory for gamma ray burst. Okay, there are many theory, but there is no concrete. Many things can explain many things, but then really we don't know exactly what. At least looks like there are two types of thing. Those soft gamma ray burst. Okay, this may be something like merger. Okay, you are talking about whole universe. Okay, but this is all gas. Okay, no concrete. We don't know the direction. We cannot say this particular I am seeing. Now it will come. Not like that. Okay, so that is still far away from our knowledge. Okay, so we don't know. But there are from the data which we have, gamma ray burst. You take the energy spectrum. You take its timing. From there we can define certain things. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.